Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Prius 2010 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2010 and 2011 Toyota Prius houses fuses for interior and driver's side electrical components, such as power windows, lights, and mirrors. It is easily accessible by opening the panel on the driver's side under the dashboard. This fuse box ensures protection and control of essential cabin electronics. The driver's side instrument panel fuse box in the 2012 to 2014 Toyota Prius contains fuses for interior and driver's side electrical systems, including power windows, lighting, and mirrors. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2015 Toyota Prius manages fuses for interior and driver's side electrical components, including power windows, mirrors, and cabin lights. Engine compartment fuse boxes. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 and 2011 Toyota Prius contains fuses and relays for major engine and hybrid system components, including cooling fans, headlights, and power circuits. This fuse box protects and controls critical underhood electrical systems. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2012 to 2014 Toyota Prius houses fuses and relays for key underhood systems, including the hybrid system, headlights, cooling fans, and other engine-related circuits. The engine compartment Type B fuse box in the 2012 to 2014 Toyota Prius contains additional fuses and relays for engine and hybrid system components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 Toyota Prius contains fuses and relays for essential underhood systems, including the hybrid system, headlights, cooling fans, and other engine-related circuits. Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.